Hello and welcome to Rathod Science Academy. Today in this session we are going to see the most predictable topics which are there in the current affairs from your environment and ecology, which will be helpful for your preparation for this year prelims, that is UPSC Prelims 2025. So don't skip this video at any cost. So please watch till last so that you will be getting around 120 to 130 important topics from your environment and ecology case. So first of all, what you have to do is two things. First one is open your notes or you open any standard book that you are preparing and try to revise the static topics. For example, what is ecotone, what is ecosystem, what is ecology, okay? And next one here is primary taxation, secondary taxation, and difference between these national parks and as well as reserves, etc. And next see about in situ conservation and as well as ex situ conservation, and you have to see about the pyramids. Okay, so after all this, once you done with your static, so open this list and try to do work on each and every topic. Okay, next one here is you have to focus on current affairs, and at least from January 2024 onwards, the topics which are there in news, so try to focus on that, guys. And one important thing that you have to focus here is prioritize your current affairs. So there will be a lot in current affairs, but you have to prioritize the things, because if you see the new space which has been identified or the space identified in that so and so area, okay, like that, you will be getting like hundreds of articles. Yes, for sure. So is that important to remember? Means you will be getting just one or no question from that area. But if you are spending a lot of time, lot of memory in that, I think it is waste. So in this video, I am going to tell you high yield topics only. Okay? Yes. Now, actually why this video is important? Because from environment and ecology, you will be getting around 18 to 22 questions every year. And this is one of the high yielding topic that you have to prepare. And from this 18 to 22 questions, you will be getting this static questions and also dynamic. Mostly you will be getting dynamic questions. So for that questions, I made this video and try to understand my hard work behind this. So now let us see the important topics. So please make a note of that. So first one is Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve, which is in news. And next one is Binturang, it is one animal species. And this one is Naini Lake. There is decreasing of level of water in this Naini Lake. So because of this, it is in news. So see about this Naini Lake. And next one is Nagarhole National Park. You have to say this. And next one is Dibrigarh Wildlife Sanctuary. It is also very, very important topic this year. And next one is Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. And this one is United Nations World Water Development Report. So if you are getting any report that is important from not only from prelims but even mains. So see about what are the highlights of this report. United Nations World Water Development Report 2025. And this one is Ramadevara Betta Vulture Sanctuary. So in this recently long-billed vultures, they had been found here. So see about that. And this one is National Wildlife Health Policy. Why it is in news? See that once. And next important topic here is Kangarwali National Park. And very important heat wave this year. And this one is recently 58th tiger reserve which had been announced in India, that is Madhav National Park. You have to see that. And this one is Gum Arabic. And this one is Majuli Island. So what is happening in this Majuli Island is there is increasing of conflict, wildlife conflict is happening. So from that point of view, it is important. And this one is Civets. Civets are seen especially in the Seshachalam Hills. Especially it is famous in this Tirupala, Tirupati, like that. So you see that once. And this one is recently we came up with this first comprehensive river dolphin survey for the first time in India. See about that also. And this one is Wallace Line. So this line which mainly differentiates biodiversity of Asia with Australia. So you may get a question regarding this Wallace Line. And this one is biodiversity leak, what it is. And this one is Califant, Gharials, Kuno National Park. And apart from this, you have to see this also, global sea ice cover hits record low. So nowadays, because of climate change, because of global warming, there is melting of glaciers is happening. So because of this global sea ice cover is also decreasing. And next one is Trail Guard AI. What is it? And next one is Gulf of Elliot, marsupials, marine heat waves, and very important topic is, yes, North Pole reached 20 degrees centigrade above average. That means nothing but there is increasing of temperature in this poles also. See that once. And very important, International Big Cat Alliance. Next one is Makhana. Okay. And next other topics are extra long staple cotton. Government is focusing on this prediction of this. And next one is recently in the last year 4 plus around 7 new Ramsar sites had been added. So you have to know about basics of Ramsar sites and important Ramsar sites in India and which state which site is also there. It is also very important. And next one is mangroves. And recently in Tamil Nadu also there is one report that there is increase in mangrove cover in Tamil Nadu state. And next one is see about some facts regarding this Teesta River and Chinar tree. So they got document Aadhaar for these trees. So you have to see about this. And next one is corpse flower. So actually in 2010, that is in 2010, so the last time this flower had been bloomed, and now in 2025, so again this flower had been bloomed. So you have to see about what is this corpse flower. And next one is Keeling curve. What is it about? And next one is National Board for Wildlife. Okay. Apart from this, you have to see about Miyawaki technique. So already in your UPSC prelims, there was already the question asked about this Miyawaki technique. It is nothing but Japan's technique of urban afforestation. So see that once. And next one is nitrate contamination of groundwater. So there are lots of reports which are there in news regarding increasing of pollution of groundwater. So one important pollutant is nitrate. So you have to see which disease which is caused by this pollution. And next one is Arctic tundra. Next one is sacred grouse, Asiatic lion, and CAFE norms, that is corporate average fuel efficiency norms. Very, very important this year. And this one is Bhunir portal. What is this portal is about? See that. And this one is Guru Gahidas Tamor Pingla Tiger Reserve, where it is located. And actually it is 56th Tiger Reserve in India. And this one is GRAP stage 4. So actually it is nothing but graded response action plan. So actually in Delhi, because of this pollution, climate change, and very severe winter, everything. So Supreme Court took an action why they are not implementing this graded response action plan. So because of this, there is a chance of getting question. And this one is discovery of world's largest coral in Solomon Islands. So corals is always a favorite topic of UPSC and you can get a question. Next one is agrivoltaic farming and what is this World Solar Report is about. See all those things. And next one is Markhor, Coral Triangle. You have to say about carbon credits, carbon markets, very, very important this year. And twilight zone of ocean, what is it? And next one is greenwashing. Already regarding this greenwashing, UPSC asked question. So in the similar lines of greenwashing, we have this topic called as AI washing. Okay. And next one is status of renewable energy in India. You have to see that. And next one is rapid vegetation increases in Antarctic Peninsula. So actually what is happening here is there is melting of soil. Whenever there is melting of especially permafrost, what happens? The soil will be getting exposed. And whenever the soil is getting exposed, now there will be the chance of life sprouting there. For example, new plants will be growing there. So that is the thing which is happening there. And next one is Worldwide Fund Report on Global Wild Population. See that once. And this one is Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign. So what is this? See once. And this one is biodecomposer spray. That is nothing but Pusa decomposer. What is that? See. And this one is Loss and Damage Fund. That is highly in use. See that once, guys. And this one is FRAME. That is nothing but food recovery to avoid methane emissions. So you have to see all these very important topics, guys. And next one is impact of lithium mining on Atacama Salt Flat. So actually what is happening here is, you know about this lithium triangle, right? So actually there is more extraction of lithium is happening in this region. So because of this Atacama desert, it is getting affected. Especially Atacama Salt Flat is getting affected. You have to see that. And this one is Bunny Grassland Restoration. Where are these Bunny Grasslands located? What is this grassland? Whether it is tropical or temperate. So see that once. And this one is obviously very important. That is National Mission for Clean Ganga. And next one is eco-sensitive areas. So see about what is eco-sensitive areas and what is the criteria examples. And next one is Ideas for Life portal, and there is also link with life. Okay, so you have to see that. And next one is Project Cheetah. Next one is High Seas Treaty, and very important topic, that is Arctic wildfires and India's biobitumen initiative. So what are these things that you have to know? And next one is UNESCO State of Ocean report. What is this report? What are the highlights of this report? See that once. And very important thing, that is Venezuela is the first country to lose all its glaciers this year. So you have to know about that. And this one is Humboldt Glacier. What is it? Soil nailing. And this one is India became the third largest producer of solar power. See this ones. And this one is new cicada species found in Meghalaya. I added the cicada species only because, so last year there was a question regarding cicada in your prelims. And next one is Blue Leader Alliance. What is it? See this ones. Okay, so these are the very important topics, and these are high yielding areas where you have to focus apart from new species which are identified in news, or new plant species, or any species which is seen. So I tried a lot to make it before you so that you will be getting benefited. So by this I'm concluding, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please ensure that you are preparing all these topics for sure, so that there is a high chance of clearing your UPSC Prelims 2025, guys. I wish you very all the best, and if you like this class, please hit the like button, and please do share this class, and do subscribe to Rathod's IAS Academy. Don't forget.